Residents protest over the brutal taking out of elderly woman in Portmore. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Angry residents on Friday blocked a section of the roadway that runs through South Borough in Portmore, St. Catherine to protest the brutal slaying of an elderly female who was gunned down by unknown men early in the day. The incident happened around 11:45 a.m. The Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the information arm of the police, confirmed the incident, but had not yet established the identity of the victim. Police personnel are on the scene now. We have confirmed that a murder happened about 11:45 a.m., a representative told Links 007 TV News. Unconfirmed reports on the ground indicated that the woman was recently interviewed by a television news team. During the interview, she reportedly voiced strong opposition to the ongoing shooting in the area. She had reportedly moved out of the area for a few days and had recently returned to the community when she was gunned down. The police had been keeping a close watch on the area after an attack in South Borough 2 weeks ago, leaving one person with bullet wounds and 9 houses were reportedly shot up by a gunman in that incident. Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.